Hello guys. Unsa na dira nga mga balay?
Mga private house, rent-on siya.
Okay. Nice guys siya diri guys. Siya daghay balay dito. Ito ara Galinia.
Ano ni mo kuan?
Nindot pud baya tanaw no. I think that one is rent to own.
This one,
Yeah, that house.
that are many.
You have to pay every month, but it's own. Your own.
It's your own house,
Yeah. Like rent is different.
but when it is your own house, you must for the rest of your life pay.
Yeah. But that one is different. Like you have to rent that maybe 2 years. It's your own house already. Nawayan ginintawanan ni oy. Wala ko kay nawayan niya. And you are very bad. Because you say that one is very not nice.
No, this house is not a nice. This house
I
is
like.
Nice. This house is nice and comfy. See, the first one. This looks nice. No, you like this house?
Yeah, it's better than no more house than no house, huh? Bangon ni tahanan ni. Ay, kanindot kit sa bukid.
I think towards our house.
Yeah. When I went to Malaysia, Hari, their house is seems like that.
So,
Yeah.
house to house to
Here.
house.
Not all, but
Many.
yeah, seems like
You
that.
rent a house in Malaysia?
No, I went there in Malaysia. Guys, guwapo kayo there, guys. Oh. Oh, very nice dirihan. Uy. Na, see, I told you, very nice here. You can see new places. Nihapon na siya, galay-lahi ang color sa akong picture.
So, let's drive at home before it's night.
Uy, halahan may bag.
Where is your bag?
Over there. It's okay, we can go. Tapos kay kung ilong diri guys. So, sa ako rin ng makeup gamay guys. Outside food not allowed.
Let's drive before it's dark.
Okay. Mahuli namin guys. Nice guy.
Attention here, huh?
Kami sana guys, adto mig Hong Kong, amo agi ng kada. I remember nga kada kanang nindot bitang nga lugar, nindot nga kanang pa-picturean. Mag-picture gid me, wa gid nay palagpaso na mo unya kay
You have an
Kini
picture
lagi.
from you now. I think 1,000.
kini lagi makakauban
You have
taog
1,000
kana na
pictures
ang
now from you.
pikabalo mo picture. kanang magyaiya mig lakaw dito, lakaw diri. Hi, but it's okay. Kay very nice
Where is the
kayo
way out?
diri.
The way out is
There.
I think. Huh?
Here, oh. Over there. See guys, oh wait. Diba? Naami dira sa taas ganina. Yeah. Gusto nang muuli. Gusto na siyang Nakalimot ko.
Abali. Si Mamang Karil. Kuan ni si Kuan good.
Mamang Karil, ah.
Mamang ka.
Ay,
Dito
oh.
pagkakos inyo.
Asa?
Eh, niya to pagkakos inyo
Wala
nang
nang
uhang
magdala si
pag-burn.
Ay, oh, kamo duha. Nakalimot ko.
Mo di kan Karil.
Ah.
Mo ni si Mamang Karil mo gidan si
She went to our at our
Dito,
house
maganda.
there in the
Nalimot
apartment
ka.
in Mayong Tubig.
Na-transfer na mo? Have you been
Oh.
transferred? Where?
Transfer namin diri sa Lipayo. Bagong balay na among gipahin.
Ah, katong ningon ka.
Oo.
Okay.
Imong anak?
Apo, this is my grandson. This is my daughter.
Daughter, granddaughter. Ah,
He just
okay.
have his baby. Her
So
baby.
you are Oma.
Oh my.
Where's your brother? Your brother. Where's your
Tuara
brother?
dito sa balay.
Ah, he didn't come?
Pero
di ka pa
Tuara nang utana
Kanina,
gani.
limot yung
Mamaasa
busy.
ka ko tanaw ko mga post-snack.
Ay, kung asa.
Kita niya sa NBC Afro.
Uy, di guwapa na. Ni taas na sa career.
Na siya sa kanina ang Aan Snack School karon. Grade 11.
Ay, dito mababasaan. First na, buwan pa sa
Ah.
Kami may
Kuan eh, sila. Sila po yung pioneering sa Aan. Sila
okay.
yung pinaka. Sorry, we've been talking English.
No problem.
It's
I have
okay.
to.
No problem.
No problem, but it's boring.
Mahaya ka diya ha?
Okay lang. You just go roam around.
Ah.
He was around.
Dito
We must go
na.
home this time.
Silingan mo ni Berna?
Nana, was Balugo Valencia po. Umurot layo na.
Layo-layo
We're just
na.
part Bern was going up.
Oh.
We're part at Valencia.
Okay.
Dagi hapon.
Sa
Nakon.
Nindot, diri kaayo no? First time na ako nito.
Kasal na po mo.
Puho namin, nagpaabot po mi sa divorce. Oy, ning anak, gani siya ganina nga. Ayok na 2 years from now daw, mga nanay divorce para kami na po magpakasal.
Sige lang.
Lagi
Lamang lang. Lamang.
Tata have understand. Good night. Bye.
Bye! Oh, Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Oh, diba? Tanggal stress. Mm. Going to the parking area.
Make a picture from here.
No, just
Choice.
ah. Okay, bye bye guys.